systems that are not ready to go. On the last video that you just watched, it gave you something like this, where you could actually just straight up eliminate the variable there. But number 3, you can't. So what you have to do is you have to pick a variable to eliminate, and you're going to distribute to make that elimination possible. So if you look at number 3, it says x plus 2y equals -2, and then on the bottom one, 2x plus 3y equals 18. So when I look at this one, to me, when I'm looking at it, the easiest thing would be to make this up here a -2, because if I were to make this a -2, the -2x and the positive 2x can cancel out. So then here, that's this step, pick the variable to eliminate, and then you have to distribute. So the only number that I could distribute to make this a -2 would be the actual number -2. Because we know that the number in front of x, sorry about that, the number in front of x right here, we're going to assume that's 1. So if I have the equation x plus 2y equals -2, when I distribute -2, it's going to create -2x minus 4y equals -2 times -2 is a positive 4. So I distributed the -2. -2 times x gives you -2x. -2 times positive 2y gives us -4y. And then -2 times -2 gives us positive 4. So instead of using this original equation, I'm going to use a new one. -2x minus 4y equals 4. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add those two equations together, and at this point you should notice that the x's get eliminated because you manipulated the equation, you multiplied by a number to create that elimination. 3y minus 4y is -1y equals 18 plus 4 is 22. Divide both sides by -1. That's going to give me y equals -22. So I'm not done yet. I need to plug in that y value to get out the x. It doesn't matter where you plug it into. You could even plug it into the original equation. It doesn't really matter. For the sake of just kind of switching it up from what I did last time, I'll plug it into the second one. So the second equation is 2x plus 3y equals 18. But instead of y, I'm going to plug in what y equals. So plus 3 times -22 equals 18. 2x, and then a positive times a negative becomes a -66 equals 18. I'll add 66 to both sides. It's going to be a big number. That's okay. 2x equals, I have to do that math work. 8 plus 6 would be 14 to 84. 2x equals 84. Divide both sides by 2 to isolate the x variable, and that would give you x to be 42. So these numbers are big, but that's okay. So 42 and my y variable was -22. That's how you would use multiplication to make it possible to eliminate.